Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to add inventory under a sub-parent group. So how you would do that is first you go back to list and then item list. From there you go to item, the drop down arrow, then you click new. You go to inventory part, so the item name, it is B103, and then you click the sub item of, that'll be the brass instruments, manufacturer's part number, E4 523. The UM, I'm going to teach you how to set a brand new one. So you see that little drop down arrow, you click add new, you go to count, next, each. For here you just ignore the screen for now. Then next, then over here you just give it a name. Once your name is done, then you click finish. But since I already have it, I gave it the name by the each. So just click on that one. The description is going to be Yamaha, or Yamaha, however you guys like to call it. And for the description to appear over onto this side, just click tab once, and it's already right over there. The cost, it is $1,245. Sale price, $1,650. The cost of goods, it is going to be $5,100. And then the income account is going to be 46000. So it's going to be this guy. And then the asset account is going to be 1,2000. The preferred vendor is going to be Yamaha. And then before you click OK, double check if the purchase tax code is both say H. Yes, it does. If this seems everything is correct to you, just click OK to save. Might have spelled something wrong. Yes, I have. So just replace. And there you go. The parent part company is Brass Instruments. Then Yamaha is right over here. I'm going to do one more. So item, list again. So item, name again, Then it's inventory part. Item name, B104. Sub item of brass instrument. Manufacturer's part number, T6 540. And then The unit of measure is byte each. The description of it is Yamaha trombone. Press the tab sign for it to be over on the next side as well. The cost for this guy is $950. Price, it is the price is going to be $132.00. The cost of goods is going to be $5,100. The income account is going to be the merchandise sales. Preferred vendor is going to be Yamaha. Asset account is going to be the inventory asset 12000. Always ignore the one with asterisks. Both of them has the H on each side. Then you click OK. Hope this video helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Bye for now.